Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad charger connector feels wobbly and isn't charging properly, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can arise from wear and tear over time or from using a charger that isn't quite the right fit. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further damage or even prevent your device from charging altogether, leaving you without power when you need it most. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a new charger connector, and some anti-static wrist straps to prevent any static damage to your device. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by placing the laptop face down on a clean, flat surface. Using your plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back cover of the ThinkPad, taking care not to damage any clips or components. Once the back cover is off, you will need to locate the charging connector. This is usually situated near the power input port. Inspect it closely. If it looks loose or damaged, it's time for a replacement. To extract the faulty connector, remove any screws securing it in place with your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Gently pull the connector away from the motherboard, being cautious not to yank any attached cables. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old connector is removed, take your new connector and align it carefully with the mounting points on the motherboard. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tight but not over-tightened to avoid damaging the motherboard. Reconnect any cables that may have been disconnected during the removal process, making sure they are firmly seated in their connectors. After everything is in place, replace the back cover of your ThinkPad, making sure all clips are snapped back securely. Now, power on your device and connect the charger to verify that it is working correctly. If the charging indicator lights up, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the charger connector. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you handle your charging cable with care and avoid pulling on it when disconnecting. Regularly inspect your charger and connector for any signs of wear and replace them as necessary. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.